Hi, Bernina fans! Look what I just found! The brand new Bernina Foot app is back. Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com and our retail store in South Dakota called Heirloom Creation. And if you have watched any of our free Bernina tutorial videos on your sewing machine, you know I love presser feet. And that's why I'm extra excited today. So thank you, Bernina, for creating the Bernina Foot app and putting it out there. You can get it for both the Android and Apple devices, and it is awesome. Download the app, pick out which machine you have, and check out all the accessories and be able to put in there which ones you own and which ones you want. Now the quilt behind me, I know I matched today, is from our Stitching Cosmos online course. It is a course that we actually work through over 25 different Bernina accessory feet. So if you know you're not using your Bernina sewing machine or its decorative stitches to the fullest, I invite you to check out over 10 videos that we have for free about mastering your Bernina sewing machine, the accessories, and all the wonderful decorative stitches that you have. We have tons of videos on Bernina accessories along with many of the machines that we have filmed a short video on every page of the manual. And if you have an embroidery machine that you have not fully mastered yet, I also invite you to our Bernina Embroidery Essentials online course, where you'll learn to master your Bernina embroidery machine to its fullest. So if it's still in the box or it's just not something you've been using a lot, again, we have free videos in the Embroidery Essentials online course that you can watch for free and see if the course is right for you. So I invite you, first off, download the free app and make sure to thank Bernina for putting it back up for us. We had it years ago, and after a lot of debate, I believe they finally listened to us and got it back up and running. And it has a whole fresh look and lots of other inspiration that is built into this app. So make sure you get it, get logged in, tell it which machine you have, and start checking out all the wonderful feet that you want to put on your must-have list going forward. So all those links are below for the classes I mentioned, and I hope that if you own a Bernina sewing machine, a Bernina serger, or a Bernina embroidery machine, I can help you master it through all of our free video tutorials we have for your machines.